So Jim, Techbo's new product in from Skullcandy, and recently they just announced a new gaming headset platform. So they've launched 3 new headsets and we've got one of them here. And as you can see on the box, Skullcandy's back in the game, and we're going big, introducing 3 new headsets powered by relentless innovation, premium sound and signature quality and style. You've just reached the next level. Welcome. And hear every detail and feel every detail. So just pan it up a bit so you can see that on the box and back down. So we open up the box like so, nice and colourful as you can see, and you get this welcome card here. And enjoy the SLYR Xbox headphones. Okay, let's have a look. And here we go. Wired gaming headset for Xbox and compatible with PlayStation, Nintendo Switch and PC and Mac and mobile devices. So you can use it not just on Xbox but with our products as well, which is excellent. I tend to more game on my phone now than I do on my consoles, but it's kind of mixed, but gives us more chance to test them out. So 50mm custom tuned drivers, which is good. Removable mic and boom, lightweight design and all-day comfort. On the side, it tells us again what it's compatible with, which is good. On the back, it will show us what's on it there. Advanced microphone, comfort and all-day comfort, performance design and easy to access controls. And on this side, we have got SLYR features microphone that delivers that. SLYR features a microphone and drivers to deliver the best possible audio quality with quality and support spatial audio platforms including Windows, Sonic for Xbox. Okay, shall we go inside? Let's have a look. I do have my unboxing knife there. Let's pop them out. Right, so we can see we've got some nice colours here and a booklet. So there is our removable mic, which has purple and pink on it, and got a light there by the looks of it. We've got our cables, 2 sets, again coloured, pretty nice. Now here is the headset. So it's got that typical Skullcandy circular shape, and you can see it's plastic mostly around here. We've got a glossy finish here, a matte finish up here, Skullcandy branding on the left and right. We've got metal sliders. I think they're metal, no, they're actually plastic sliders, but they're very strong, which is excellent. We've got this digitized colouring here, which is nice. Green inside, left and right, with nice deep cups as you can see, and you've got tap to unmute here on the side, and that's pretty much what it looks like. So you've got your axis here which it spins on, which you can see is quite a lot, which is good. You do move in and out there, so that's nice to see, and that's pretty good as well. So you've got your wheel here, and you've got your headphone jacks on the side there. And that's pretty much it. Simple plug and play headset, which is nice and handy to have, and that's basically how it's going to work. And you do not fold up, as you can see. It's just a simple gaming headset. I'm going to quickly pop them on. Comfortable and block out a lot of the external noise, which is good. So good start there. They fit really comfortably on the ears and feel really nice, and that's basically a quick first look at what you're going to get in the flesh. No creaks or anything at all, which is a good thing, and I do like these sliders here. They're very powerful and will not move when in place. They're not a ratchet style, they just simply slide up and down, and that's it. And that does look like a wire going up there, so that'll be something to keep an eye on once it stays in. And we'll just get a closer look in there for you so you can see, and a closer look at the wheel and the ports here, and that's it. It's a simple headset, plug and play, get going and listen to your audio whilst gaming and so on. So stay tuned for the review later on. We'll go and test these out. If you have any questions, do feel free to ask later on after the video goes live. And you need to know, feel free to ask. We answer all our questions on YouTube, and that's pretty much it. So nice. And another thing, yeah, it's a very light headset as well. It's not heavy, and that's it. Stay tuned for more. Drop them down below if you have any questions, and we will answer for you. And stay tuned for further review soon on techbuzzrun.com.